Okay, here we are. Our new sign, RELM Wine and Beer Bistro, is coming to fruition in San Elijo. Very, very cool. I'm gonna give you a little tour inside real quick. Show you what's going on. We got 2 days to go. 1:10. Here we are. So this is what RELM is going to look like in San Elijo. Very, very cool. Again, it's a long way to go, but here it is. And we're gonna turn, little panning, the wine rack, and done.